Hello and welcome to another camera accessory review by Robin the Reviewer. Today I'm looking at the Tycka TK202 104 LED flat panel. This is for use on a digital SLR or with a video camera. As you can see, there's plenty of details on the back of the box and the light is well packaged. The light itself is inside bubble wrap. The manual contains plenty of details about how the light is used, the controls, which are fairly straightforward, and the spec of the unit. You are supplied with the USB to micro USB charging cable and a hot shoe mount, so this will go on your camera in the hot shoe base and can be tightened onto there, and then that gives you a 1/4 inch tripod mount and two adjustable thumbs nuts which will help tighten it up. We've then got a 1/4 inch pivoted tripod mount. These two are used together, and so that gives you flexibility in adjusting the angle of the light, as you can see, and you can lock it off at any position. You've also got the 2200 milliamp hour battery. It's a 7.4 volt battery, giving you plenty of battery life to keep the light running. And you've got the charger. So because this is USB powered, you could recharge it from a power bank, or I've certainly got USB in the car, could charge it while out and about. The light unit itself is very slim, so it doesn't, and lightweight, it doesn't add a lot of weight to the camera. And you've got two controls. You've got the temperature from 3000 to 6000 and the light intensity from 0 to 100%, and the power switch at the base. Also in the bottom you've got the 1/4 inch tripod mount which works with the supplied accessories. So to get this up and running, all we need to do is to push the battery in the back and slide it from right to left, and then we can turn on the switch at the base, as you can see there, and we have light. So we can control independently the level of light. As you can see, I'm using the dial on the right to go from low power to high power, and then the dial on the left to change the colour temperature. So you can go from quite a cool white light to a warm white light, and any point in between to suit the environment that you're shooting in. And the front is opaque, so you don't see the individual LEDs. What I'm showing here is the battery tester, so you can see how much battery you've still got left. I'm not going to run out mid-shoot. So if we attach the tripod mount to the bottom of the light, you can see we could now attach that either to the hot shoe on the camera, as I'm going to do now, or onto a separate tripod. If you wanted it off camera, you can do that as well. So this hot shoe base goes into the hot shoe mount on the top of the camera. As you can see, you can easily take it in and out. Once you've got it in, you need to tighten that knurled wheel on the bottom down so that it stays in your camera, and the knurled wheel at the top then screws upwards to the tripod mount on top, and that keeps it all nice and tight, and it will stop it moving about. So now I can undo the screw and adjust the angle of the light. If I wanted to bounce it off a ceiling, I could do. If I want to point it down towards a very close subject, I can do that as well. Likewise, simply unscrew at the base and it will slide out of the hot shoe. So once we've used the light and we need to recharge the battery, we need the USB cable and the charger and a USB socket. So attaching the micro USB cable into the micro USB socket on the charger, I've got a USB power adapter plugged it into, and you could see the charger was green. Plug the battery in and the charger goes red. Once it's finished charging, it will return back to green. So that is the charging process, and there we have the TK202 Tycka video light. It's nice and light, it's very slim, so it's easy to take about, and a great variable light. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check out tycka202.com and the Amazon link below. Thank you.